Hey family, how are you guys doing today? Happy Wednesday when you see this video. I think you will see it Wednesday or Saturday. I hope everyone is doing well and taking care of yourself. Today I am actually getting ready to move the chickens. If you see my Saturday video, you actually saw the meat birds in the greenhouse, and today we get ready to move them and put them in the chicken tractor like I told you guys. So Mr. Lewin is here today. It's Saturday, and we have maybe a couple things that we got to get done. So if you're interested in seeing me move some meat birds and getting some things done on the homestead, stick around and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe somewhere here or down below. I'll see you in a minute. Stay tuned. Time to get these chickens in the chicken tractor. They've been in here for how long? They've been in here? 2 weeks, babe?
Possible 2 or 3 weeks now, sure.
Maybe. No, we had them inside at first, and then we put them in the chicken tractor.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So guys, with our meat bird, what we did was with them this year. Last year we had them at the bottom of the property, and this year what we did was when we purchased them, we kept them in the house for maybe about 5 days, right, babe?
Over a week.
About a week, right? And then when we decided to build the greenhouse here, we took them outside of the house, and then we just kept them in here for 2 more weeks. So we've had them for 3 weeks now. They're 3 weeks old, right, babe? And so now what we're gonna do is move them in our chicken tractor. They will stay in the chicken tractor for another 3 weeks, and then after that we will harvest them, and that's it. You need a container that's covered. So these meat birds, guys, these are female meat birds, so they grow a little slower than the male meat birds. But if they were male, they would be much bigger. Oh no, where you all going? Get back in here. Come on. Drop it.
Yeah, let's put the box all the way in.
You want to put it down? Put it in. All right. $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24. So out of 26 meat birds we lost 2. We lost 2, which is not bad. Right, babe? So there they are, guys. They're on fresh grass, and I think they'll be much happier over here now that they're on the chicken tractor, and they have much more air flowing through this thing than the greenhouse. So I believe they'll be much happier and cleaner. They're a little bit messy because they've been in that box for 2 weeks. So now they're out here, so we're gonna go get some feed for them, and that is the meat bird until we harvest them. So all right, so they have their feed and they have their water. And we'll cover this and we'll see these. We'll be taking care of them here until the next 2-3 weeks, right, man? 3 to 4 weeks. All right, guys. So good luck with your meat bird. This is Mr. Lewin's favorite ice cream, guys.
Why are you trying to put me on the road?
See, this is Haagen-Dazs. This is rum and raisin. This is his favorite ice cream. And we've been looking for this ice cream in the fridge, and he said he couldn't find it. And look, it's right there. So we're getting ready to have a little bit of ice cream.
You want some, Alan?
See, this is rum and raisin. And we remember this when we was growing up in Jamaica. We used to eat this ice cream. Oh my goodness. I want a cone. I want a waffle cone.
Who? Grandma wants some?
No.
Planning.
Mess up the whole damn thing.
You want more, my thing?
Where you bring all that cup for?
Okay, thank you.
What you bring all this cup for? We don't need that much cup. You should have given mommy some because she's gonna say she wants some too. Trust me. Give me the other cup, Messiah. Bring a spoon. Give Milan. Go get a spoon for grandma because she gonna wanna taste it too. Put a little bit for her. Guys, this ice cream is the best. Look at Milan. Is it good, Milan? You love her that ice cream too.
Mom.
Mommy, you want this ice cream?
Mom, maybe you should tell them where you got it from.
Where we got it from? Was it what store we got it from, Milan? I think it was Kroger, right?
Yeah, I think Kroger.
Uh-huh. Well, if they live in Georgia, they can find it in Kroger. It's not a big special ice cream, it's just regular ice cream.
That's
Mhm.
Ven aquí, madre, eso, mira, y no te mala,